Welcome, here I've got Google Pixel 4a and I'm gonna show you how to record the time-lapse video at this device. Let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the time-lapse, so let's tap here. And here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by using this big button at the center. We can also adjust the speed of our time-lapse by using this settings bar, and as you can see we can pick spectrum from 1, the normal speed, to 5, good for lively groups, 10, good for walking, 30, good for busy spots, and 120, good for sunsets. So this is wide choice. For now let me stay for example on 5 to show you how it works. And let me start recording. This is my object. I'm going to move it slowly because the time-lapse should speed up the original video. And now let's start by tapping again on this button. To see the video, let's move to this button from the right. Here we can get quick access to the gallery and we can play our video by tapping on the center. And this is how the time-lapse video with speed 5 looks like. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.